If you want that showroom shine on your car, you've probably heard that polishing and waxing are the keys to achieving it. But what's the difference between the two, and when should you use each? Polishing removes imperfections from the car's paint, smoothing out scratches and swirl marks. It uses a mild abrasive to level out the paint surface, giving it a crystal-clear finish. Polishing doesn't need to be done often, usually just once or twice a year. Waxing, on the other hand, is a protective layer that goes on top of your paint. It creates a barrier that protects the paint from sun, rain, dirt, and pollutants. This hydrophobic layer makes water bead up and roll off, keeping dirt from sticking. There are different types of waxes like natural carnauba wax and synthetic wax. Apply a thin, even layer and buff it out with a microfiber cloth for a glossy finish. Polishing is corrective, while waxing is protective. Use them together for the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your car in top shape.